Week 2. Problem Identification and Analysis. Welcome back, scholars. Now that we understand the importance of problem identification, let's explore structured methods that will help us break down challenges and analyze their root causes effectively. Jumping into solutions without fully understanding the problem is like treating symptoms without diagnosing the disease. The issue will likely return. This week, we focus on how to identify problems accurately, analyze their causes, and ensure the solutions address the real issues. 1. The importance of identifying root causes. Imagine you're working in a rural village where many children drop out of school. The first assumption might be, they are not interested in education. But is that the real reason? Let's explore deeper possibilities. 1. Could it be poverty, where families cannot afford school fees or uniforms? 2. Could it be lack of transportation, with children walking long distances? 3. Could gender roles be affecting attendance, with girls staying home for domestic work? If you address the wrong problem, the solution will fail. That's why identifying the root cause is the first step in effective problem solving. 2. The fishbone diagram, Ishikawa's framework. One effective way to break down a problem into smaller causes is through the fishbone diagram, also known as Ishikawa's framework. How it works. A fishbone diagram looks like the skeleton of a fish, with the problem at the head and different categories of causes branching out as bones. Example, let's take youth unemployment as our problem. Using the fishbone diagram, we could identify potential causes. 1. Economic factors, lack of job opportunities, low wages. 2. Educational factors, skills mismatch, poor access to quality education. 3. Social factors, gender discrimination, cultural expectations. 4. Government policy, poor labor policies, lack of business support. By organizing causes in this way, we visualize the problem holistically and target the right solutions. 3. The 5 whys technique. Sometimes, the best way to find a root cause is to keep asking why, until you reach the core of the issue. This is called the 5 whys technique. Example, small diamond problem. The community's well runs out of water frequently.
Why?
Right pointing arrow. The water table is too low. Why? Right pointing arrow. The well is being overused. Why? Right pointing arrow. More families are depending on it. Why? Right pointing arrow. There are no other wells nearby. Why? Right pointing arrow. There was no investment in water infrastructure. Checkmark. Root cause identified. The real issue isn't just that the well is dry, it's a lack of investment in alternative water sources. Now, we can work towards a sustainable solution, such as building additional wells or improving water conservation methods. 4. Community-based challenge identification. Studio microphone, real-world application tone. Many problems require on-the-ground engagement to uncover the true issues. As an African scholar of social change, your solutions must be informed by the people affected. How to conduct a community-based problem identification. Small diamond. Step 1. Talk to the people, conduct interviews, focus groups, or surveys to understand their perspectives. Small diamond. Step 2. Observe the environment. Sometimes, the real issues are visible, like poor roads, lack of clean water, or gender imbalances in education. Small diamond. Step 3. Use data, health reports, employment rates, and social statistics can help validate assumptions. Small diamond. Step 4. Apply structured tools. Use techniques like fishbone diagrams and the 5 whys to analyze the problem from multiple angles. Light bulb example. In Uganda, a project aimed at reducing malnutrition in children initially focused on providing food aid. However, after engaging with communities, they realized that parents lacked knowledge on proper nutrition. By shifting focus to nutrition education, they achieved long-term impact. Conclusion. Scholars, problem identification is the foundation of impactful change. This week, you have learned how to 1. Distinguish between surface-level symptoms and root causes. 2. Use the fishbone diagram to break down complex challenges. 3. Apply the 5 whys technique to uncover deeper issues. 4. Engage communities to identify problems from their perspective. As you continue your journey in social change, always start by identifying the real problem before jumping to solutions. In the next week, we will explore creative problem-solving techniques to generate innovative solutions for these challenges. Small diamond. Your challenge for the week. Try applying the fishbone diagram or the 5 whys to a real-world issue you care about. See if it helps you gain deeper insights. See you in week 3, where we dive into creative thinking and problem-solving techniques. Rocket.